Did you know that in 2024 AI is expected to help scientists discover new antibiotics and materials that could change the way of living? This is just one example of how rapidly technology is advancing, and the innovation coming this year are set to transform industries in ways we never thought possible. 2024 is an exciting year for technological advancements. From breakthroughs in artificial intelligence to sustainable innovations, the technologies emerging this year are revolutionizing industries. What makes 2024 special is not only the new tools we will have, but also the way these innovations tackle real-world challenges like climate change, connectivity, and research in medicine. Despite these advancements, the world faces significant challenges. Sustainability, ensuring global internet access, and improving research capabilities are critical issues. We need technologies that address these problems while also improving our daily lives. In 2024, many of these challenges are being tackled head-on by cutting-edge innovation. One groundbreaking technology is AI for scientific discovery, where AI tools like deep learning are accelerating research by proposing new antibiotics, discovering materials, and improving diseases understanding. Meanwhile, reconfigurable intelligent surface will turn walls and other structures into smart components that boost wireless communications, improving connectivity in places like smart factories and vehicular networks. Another exciting innovation is high-altitude platform stations (HAPS), using balloons and aircraft to provide internet access to remote regions, helping bridge the digital divide for 2.6 billion people. On the sustainability front, electrochlorics offer a revolutionary way to cool systems using mechanical stress rather than traditional air conditioning, significantly reducing energy consumptions. And finally, carbon capturing microbes are engineered organisms that turn CO2 emissions into valuable products like biofuels, helping fight climate change. The most revolutionary technology of 2024 may very well be carbon capturing microbes. Imagine organisms engineered to capture harmful CO2 emissions from the atmosphere and convert them into biofuels, which could not only reduce our carbon footprint but also provide new energy source. This innovation could reshape how we approach climate change and sustainability, offering a powerful tool to combat one of the world's biggest challenges. In 2024, technologies like AI for scientific research, reconfigurable intelligent surface (HAPS) for global connectivity, electrochlorious for sustainable cooling, and carbon capturing microbes are driving us toward a more connected, sustainable future. These innovations are not just breakthroughs, they are addressing critical issues while reshaping industries. What are your thoughts on these incredible technologies? Share your ideas in the comment below.